Welcome to the CQ Researcher Database tutorial. In this video, we will be walking through how to create searches in the CQ Researcher database. This database includes reports on current and controversial issues and are written by experienced journalists. CQ Researcher can be a great place to start looking for information on a topic, or if you are working on an argumentative assignment and need resources that discuss both sides of an argument. To access the CQ Researcher database, we must first navigate to the library's homepage. From the HCC website, click on the Quick Links option in the top left, and select the library icon from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the library's homepage, where you will see the A to Z database link near the middle of the screen. Click on this link and you will be directed to the complete list of all the databases the library has access to. CQ Researcher is located under C, which can be accessed by using the alphabet along the top of the screen. Remember, if you are working off campus, you will need to log in using the same username and password that you use for D2L. Once you are on the CQ Researcher homepage, you will notice that it is very different from other databases that the library has available. CQ Researcher has many different ways for researchers to browse or search for content in the database. Like other databases, there is a search box and advanced search option that is located in the top right corner. You can type in your keywords here if you already have an idea of the topic you would like to search for. However, CQ Researcher also has some great browsing features that make it easy to see what topics are available. The Featured Report section in the middle of the page includes a short description of popular topics. This section will be changed on a regular basis. The Hot Topics section on the right includes a list of topics that are currently in high demand. If you are not sure of your topic but are looking for a relevant issue, this is a great place to look. Along the top menu, there are also options to browse either by topic or reports. Browsing reports will let you choose to view articles from a specific time frame, or if you are looking for an argumentative resources, the Pro-Con section will bring you to a list of topics that you can choose from. By clicking on one of these topics, you will see a list of sources that pose a question, which the article will provide responses to for both sides of the argument. Another browsing option you can use is the Browse by Topic. This option is another avenue you can use to find sources. The tab includes a list of broader topics that, once you select one, will direct you to a page with a list of more specific topics. Click on the one that looks most interesting to you, and a list of all the reports on that topic will appear. The reports are listed chronologically and are updated frequently, so you want to make sure you pay close attention to when the report was published. CQ Researcher reports can be quite long, but have a lot of information in them. Along the left side of the screen are options on how to read the report, either in the full text or by section. If you are writing an argumentative assignment, the Pro-Con section could be extra useful for you. This section focuses on a specific question about the topic and has two reporters respond, either for or against the proposed question. Also be sure to check out other sections of the report for more information, such as the background or current situations sections. You will notice while scrolling through these sections small comment bubbles with numbers in them. Clicking on these icons will pull up a citation showing you where the article retrieved their information from. These icons can be really great if you are looking for original research to use as another source. Also take note of the Issue Tracker section along the right. This includes a chronological list of related reports and topics that might be useful to you in your research. CQ Researcher also has the search box at the top of the screen that you can use if you already have a topic in mind. We recommend that you start with the advanced search located just below the main search box. The advanced search will allow you to utilize more tools to narrow your search. While there is only one search box available, you can still use multiple keywords and tie them together using the qualifiers and, or not. Type in your keywords into the search box and use your chosen qualifier. Notice that I am placing quotation marks around the phrase global warming so that the search knows to search for these two words together. And the qualifier and is in all caps. Below the search box, there are options you can use if you are only looking for sources from a specific time frame, or if you are only looking for articles from one of the database's topical sections. Once you have made your search criteria, you are ready to click Search. A search results page will appear with reports related to your topic. These might not necessarily be in chronological order, so be sure to check the publication date carefully. When you find a report you would like to read, click on the title, and you will be brought to the full report. Some other features to take note of on the reports page are the circle icons on the right side of the screen. These are options to download the PDF to your computer, email a copy of the report, or print it. If you are going to print the article, be sure to take note of the number of pages. These reports can be very long, so be sure you are printing only the pages you need. Just like the library's other databases, there is an option to grab a citation for your report. You can choose from APA, MLA, or Chicago style, and copy and paste the citation into your research paper. Just be sure to double check the citation for any errors, as they are not always 100% accurate. If you need help or have questions, feel free to reach out to the library through our chat service. To access the librarian chat from the library's homepage, click on the Librarian Chat link under Quick Links. You will be connected with a real librarian who can answer your questions. And the chat is available 24/7, so you will always have someone available to help you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you have any questions or need help using the CQ Researcher database, feel free to reach out to us and we will be glad to help.